Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, the Digital Institute of Computing Technology. In this presentation we will have discussion on the topic Object-Oriented Programming Concepts with examples in Python programming language. A class is a blueprint for creating objects. Think of a class as a template. It defines a set of attributes and methods that the created objects will have. An object is an instance of a class. When you create an object, you are creating an instance of that class with actual values. Why do we need a construct like class? First of all, let's see. Why do we write programs? We write programs to solve a real-world problem. Right? The real-world problem has real-world objects. So the solution to the real-world problem should have real-world objects. Now, what kind of real-world problem you may solve? Let us imagine. We are writing a software for a company that sells cars of different brands. Now, the object under consideration is a car. So, what describes a car? Its make, year of make, model, engine, etc. What kind of actions we can associate with car? Start engine, stop engine, change gear, apply brake, etc. Now, let's see how a class car looks in Python programming language. So, this is a class used to represent a car. The init function with underscores initializes the car. Attributes make, year of make, model. The function describe describes the car. Start underscore engine and stop underscore engine are functions to start and stop the engine. In this case, these functions are just printing their tasks. Now, how to create objects or instances of the class car? Just use the class name followed by the make, model, year in brackets in the right-hand side of the expression and use a variable name on the left-hand side of the expression to create an object car and associate the variable with it. Car 1 assigned car of Toyota Corolla 2020. Car 2 assigned car of Honda Civic 2019. Now, let's see some related definitions. Object is an instance of a class. Attributes are variables that hold data specific to an object. In our example, attributes are make, year of make, model. Methods are functions defined within a class that describe the behaviors of an object, such as start underscore engine and stop underscore engine. Encapsulation is the bundling of attributes and methods together within a class. Now, let's come back to our example. To access the attributes and methods of the car object, use variable name followed by dot followed by attribute name or function name as shown. To see description of car 1, call car1.describe. To start engine of car 1, call car1.startEngine. To see description of car 2, call car2.describe. To start engine of car 2, call car2.startEngine. To stop engine of car 2, call car2.stopEngine. The output in this case is 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla's engine is now running. 2019 Honda Civic. The Civic's engine is now running. The Civic's engine is now stopped. This is about how to define a class, create an object using a class, and accessing object attributes and methods using dot operator. Now, let's discuss inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism in object-oriented programming, where a new class inherits attributes and methods from an existing class. Now, let's assume there is a new class called electric car that can inherit existing class car, as shown. Now, the new class electric car can access the attributes and methods of the parent class car using super method. As can be seen, it has accessed init and describe methods from the parent class. Init method is extended now to initialize battery capacity, and describe method is extended to display the battery capacity. To create an object of electric car class, use the class name followed by the make, model, year and battery capacity in brackets in the right-hand side of the expression, and use a variable name on the left-hand side of the expression to create an object electric car and associate the variable with it. Ye car assigned electric car of Tesla Model S 2024 100. To access the attributes and methods of the electric car object, use variable name followed by dot, followed by attribute name or function name as shown. To see description of ye car, call ye car.describe. In this case the output is 2024 Tesla Model S100. Next, let's discuss polymorphism. Polymorphism is the ability for different classes to be treated as instances of the same class through a common interface, often by method overriding. Now, let's assume in the car class there is one more method called drive. The class electric car inherits the class car and overrides the method drive. Now, let's create objects of both type of class. Car assigned car of Toyota Camry 2022. Ye car assigned electric car of Tesla Model S 2024 100. The car and the ye car objects can use their own version of the drive function, giving different output. To call the drive function of car, use car.drive. To call the drive function of ye car, use ye car.drive. In this case the output is driving a car for a car object, and driving an electric car for an ye car object. Now, let's consider one more example to see how a class will look like in real-world applications. Let's consider a student class used in a student management system for an institute. The student class has following attributes: name, student ID, age, year, branch, semester, subjects, electives. Name is the name of the student. Student ID is the unique ID of the student. Age is the age of the student. Year is the year of study the student is in. Branch is the branch or field of study of the student. Semester is the current semester of the student. Subjects is a list of subjects the student is enrolled in. Electives is a list of elective courses the student is taking. Now, following are the methods and their operations. __init__ initializes the student with the given attributes. Get_details returns a string with the student's details. Set_details sets multiple attributes for the student. Add_subject adds a subject to the student's list of subjects. Add_elective adds an elective to the student's list of electives. Change_branch changes the branch or field of study for the student. Update_semester updates the current semester of the student. Now, once the class is created, you can use it to create a student object by passing necessary details. Example: you can create an object for student Alice. As shown, use dot operator to access the attributes and methods of the student object. So, this covers an overview of object-oriented programming in Python programming language. Hope you enjoyed and liked the presentation. Remain connected with us by subscribing to this channel for latest updates on this channel. Thank you.